Bought this patch of hillside ground, dreaming big and looking around. Talked of orchards, ponds, and sheep, cabins tucked where the maples sleep. But every trail and every bend feels like something we don't yet understand. He smiled slowly and tipped his hat, said, "Son, there's more to it than that. This land's been talking long before. Have you ever walked through that gate and door? You don't start with nails and plans first. You learn the lay of the land. You gotta read the land first, learn the rivers and the rain. Watch where the frost falls down at night and where the water stays.
Every ridge and every hollow, every field and line of pine.
The good Lord drew a map out there if you take the time. Yeah, the best homesteads ain't forced by hand. You gotta read the land. How do you know where roads should go, or where the garden rose will grow? Why is one hill green while another dries? Why is there fog down low at sunrise?
Water always heads downhill, and bad roads wash where men lack skill. South slopes wake up first each spring. Cold air settles in the lowland rings. Every contour, rock and tree tells a story if you learn to see. You gotta read the land first, learn the snow and summer heat. Watch where the milk runs off too fast
and where the roots run deep.
Every valley, every hillside, every dark, rich line of soil.
The earth will tell you what it needs before you waste your time. Yeah, the best homesteads ain't forced by hand. You gotta read the land. Old yeomans knew what folks forgot. The land ain't something you conquer or bought. Slow the water, spread it wide, let life come back beneath the sky.
Good soil grows from patient hands,
not from fighting with the land. So before we build, we watch and wait. Learn the seasons before it's too late. That's exactly right, he softly said.
Walk it when the creek runs red.
Walk it after the winter snow.
Watch where springtime waters go.
The strongest roots take time to stand. That's how you build upon the land. You gotta read the land first, before the barns and orchard rows,
before the tractors and the roads,
and all a young heart knows.
Listen closely and walk it slowly,
after drought and after rain.
And what you build with care and time
will long remain. Yeah, the best homesteads grow hand in hand with the rhythm of the land. You don't really own this earth, my friends. You just learn to walk beside it.